If you're considering Level Education Group and wondering if it's the right choice for you, this video breaks down the 7 essential things you need to know before buying. Make sure you stick around till the end as we compare it to other competitors in the industry and highlight key points that could make or break your decision. First off, let's dive into how Level Education Group stands out in a competitive market. Many education platforms claim to offer great learning experiences, but Level Education Group sets itself apart with its structured, self-paced learning pathways and expert-led courses. While competitors like Masterclass and Coursera might have larger course offerings, Level Education Group focuses on delivering a more tailored approach, particularly for people who need practical, industry-relevant skills. Next thing you need to know is their pricing structure. Unlike other platforms that have steep subscription models, Level Education Group offers transparent pricing, which can be especially beneficial if you're on a budget. You're not locked into a yearly plan. Instead, you pay for the courses you choose, making it much easier to manage costs. So, if you're comparing it to alternatives, this gives you more flexibility without being tied down to recurring payments. The third thing to note is the quality of the instructors. Many platforms hire experts, but Level Education Group has a strong vetting process to ensure their instructors are not only knowledgeable, but also skilled at teaching. Whether you're looking for technical skills in programming, business, or leadership, the instructors at Level Education Group know how to break down complex concepts into digestible lessons, which, in my experience, really makes a difference when you're learning something new. Now, let's talk about their user interface. While some education platforms can be clunky and hard to navigate, Level Education Group's platform is simple and intuitive. You can easily track your progress, manage multiple courses, and find the resources you need without feeling overwhelmed. This user-friendly experience is crucial if you want to stay on top of your learning goals, and from my time using it, I can say it's well designed. The fifth thing you need to know is the range of courses they offer. While platforms like Udemy and LinkedIn Learning offer a vast library, they sometimes lack the depth and focus that Level Education Group brings. It's not just about having thousands of options. It's about providing high-quality, industry-specific courses that teach you skills you can actually use. This specialization is key, especially if you're looking to upskill for a specific career or industry. Next, let's talk about the support system. If you run into any issues or have questions, Level Education Group provides excellent customer service with quick response times. Some competitors might leave you hanging for days, but Level Education Group makes sure you get the help you need when you need it. This kind of support ensures you're never left frustrated or stuck when you're trying to move forward with your learning. The seventh and final point I want to touch on is the opportunity for professional growth. Many educational platforms can teach you skills, but Level Education Group also connects you with a community of like-minded learners and professionals, which is invaluable when you're trying to break into a new field. Whether you're networking with instructors or peers, you'll have plenty of chances to expand your professional network while gaining real-world knowledge. To sum it up, if you're looking for a platform that delivers quality, practical education with transparency and great support, Level Education Group might just be the right fit for you. Remember, if you want to try it out, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for Level Education Group and enjoy some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out. Give it a try today.